Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new video. Today I am going to give a presentation on how to prepare this type of table using MS Excel. That means using MS Excel, we can easily prepare this type of table. Generally, this output from logistic regression, and generally we get the output from Stata or SPSS or other software, and using the MS Excel, we can easily prepare this type of table. Let's go MS Excel software. This is the output file, and I keep it from Stata software. In here, this is the odds ratio, p-value, and confidence interval. And generally, we get odds ratio, standard error, z value, p-value, and confidence interval. But to prepare this type of table, we can remove this two column. That means, and we can see that the decimal place is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 decimal place, but we need only 2 decimal place. That means, that means we have to round figure. That means ROU round, and click this value, and we need 2 decimal place. That means round, and this cell, we have to select a cell, and since we needed 2 decimal place, therefore we type 2. Now it's 2 decimal place, and this also 2 decimal place, this also 2 decimal place, but for p-value we need 3 decimal place. That means we have to type here 3 decimal place. Now just okay. But in this format, we need odds ratio, then first bracket, then lower limit of CI, comma, space, upper limit of CI, then last is bracket close. Then that means we have to create a column and press space, type first bracket, and now only comma and space, just comma and one space, and in last just first bracket. Now is equal to odds ratio. We have type symbol and symbol, then this and this and this and this and this, and press enter. Then now Control C and Control paste special. We need only value. That means we have to value, then press OK. Now this is right. Okay. Now we have to remove this type of value. That means please select whole table, say filter, and select all, only select this type of value. That means we have to remove this type of value. And now this delete. Okay. Okay. That means the table is now prepared. Now we copy it and MS Word, paste. Hit Windows. Time new run. 12. Hit content. Okay. No border. Then top border. And this is the reference. And I will show in the next presentation how to analyze data using using SPSS or its data. Then in this presentation, I will describe when we use reference, how we define reference for category variable, and that means we can easily, using this procedure, we can easily prepare this type of table using MS Excel. Thank you.